The bench step-up is a free weight exercise and may be performed with dumbbells, a medicine ball, barbell, or no weight at all. Choose a bench or box that will challenge you. For this exercise, the focus will be on using dumbbells. To begin, grab the dumbbells with a closed fist, palms facing in. This is considered a neutral grip. Decide on a lead leg and step up on the box, extending through your hips and knees, placing your entire foot on the box. Keep your head looking forward, which will help maintain a straight back. Bring your other leg, the trailing leg, up to the box and stand up straight with weight evenly on both feet on the box. To step down, shift your weight back to the lead foot and drop the trailing foot off the box back to the floor. Bring your lead foot off the box and stand up straight with both feet on the floor. Repeat again with the same lead leg. Complete all reps on one leg and then switch lead legs. The primary muscles used in this movement are the quadriceps, which extend the knee. These specific muscles include the rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus intermedius, and vastus lateralis. Other muscles used in this exercise are the hamstrings, glutes, and calves.